Ever wonder how today's cars keep you safe long before you even realize you're in danger? Today at Knowledge Hub, we're diving into the world of modern car safety systems, a whole network of sensors, computers, and clever engineering working together in milliseconds. It starts with proactive systems, like forward collision warning, which uses radar and cameras to spot vehicles ahead, and autonomous emergency braking, which can slam the brakes for you if you don't react in time. Lane departure warning and lane keep assist watch the road markings and nudge you back if you drift, while blind spot monitoring uses side-mounted radar to warn you about cars you can't see. Adaptive cruise control keeps a safe gap from traffic, adjusting your speed automatically, and cross-traffic alert checks behind you when reversing. If things still go wrong, passive safety takes over. Engineered Crumple zones absorb impact energy, reinforced safety cages protect the cabin, and advanced airbags deploy in milliseconds, adjusting force depending on the crash and the occupant. Seatbelt pretensioners pull you tight just before impact, then ease off to reduce injury. Stability systems, like electronic stability control and traction control, keep you in control on slippery roads, and roll stability control helps prevent SUVs from tipping. And now, the next generation is here. Driver monitoring systems that detect fatigue, vehicle-to-everything communication that lets cars talk to each other and the road, and AI that predicts accidents before they happen. Together, these systems create an invisible shield around you, quietly working in the background so you can focus on the drive. If you enjoy learning how these technologies work, don't forget to like and subscribe, because here at Knowledge Hub we make complex tech crystal clear. And as always, stay curious.